So Gemini 3.0 Pro is here, so I'm super excited to try it out. This has been one of the most hyped models I have yet to see. I think maybe after ChatGPT 5, but let's test it out. So I want to test it out with an app, and then I'm going to check a blog post, and then I'm going to do something super special. Let's see what else we can do. So I'm going to test it out, build me an app. So people have been saying that the design is very nice, so it'll be super interesting to see what it can do. So I said, build me a conversational voice therapy app that helps me with my problems. Use images to help me understand my issues. So I think this could be interesting to create an app now with the Nana Banana, of course, and conversation. Let's see, I've just add these in here as well for extra context, and make the design extremely modern with design best practices. So I don't want to give it too many instructions to see. I just want to see what it does, to be honest. I'm super interested to see what it actually does. So I'm in the Google AI Studio. If you want to know, I'll leave this down below. If you haven't used it yet, it's great because it's free. So let's build that. It's going to probably take a few minutes, I would say, but maybe it's super fast. But yeah, let's see what it does with that. As you know, I am an SEO, so I'm very, very excited to see what it can write, how it can write. I'm wondering if it can actually add images into the blog post. So I'm going to say, write me a 3,000 word listicle. So a listicle is where you have like 1, 2, 3, 4. Listicle review of the best AI tools for creating ad creatives. Let's see if we can include images. Include images if you can. Okay, let's run that and see how it does. And for our third prompt, let's really test it out. I'm gonna see something completely weird and just say, build me a world that I didn't know existed. Let's see how creative it can get. Let's see how we get on with this. All right, so the writing, yeah, it's been extremely fast. It's speeding a lot. Look at that. Look how fast that is. Really, really fast. 59 seconds it wrote all of that. Okay, so it says as a text model, it can't create the images, which is fair enough, but it actually did add in like little prompts here, a screenshot of addcreative.ai. So that's actually pretty nice. That was quite intelligent, I have to say. So it does still get the wrong year, which is what all of them are doing at the moment. But yeah, the writing looks pretty nice. I mean, no M dashes. Where are the M dashes? Don't see any M dashes, so the writing is pretty good. It is clear to read. I mean, now all of them are starting to look a little bit like that. And I mean, yeah, it's not as bad as it was with, so formatted, so exactly the same each time. But yeah, I'm not 100% sure. I like it. Feel like it does need that bit more personality, if I do say so myself, which obviously it's AI, it's going to struggle with that. Maybe let's try that. Add more personality. Case studies, but be sure not to invent stuff. Okay, we don't want anything invented. That would not be good for our article. Okay, so our app is ready. That was actually really fast as well. Okay, let's see how this works. Hello, testing.
Hi, I can hear you. Is everything all right?
Yeah, things are going pretty well.
That's good to hear. Is there anything specific you'd like to talk about today?
Yeah, sometimes I get a lot of overwhelm from too many AI tools.
Ah, yes. It's common to feel overwhelmed by so many choices. Perhaps we can break down what you find overwhelming. What kind of tasks do you typically use AI tools for?
Oh, everything really. And can you draw me something on the canvas?
Of course. What would you like me to draw to help you visualize this feeling? Perhaps a winding path, a busy field, or something else.
Maybe just like me, like a general man with loads of things coming out of his head. Oh, wow. It's actually working. This is insane.
I've drawn a man with many ideas and tasks flowing out of his head. Does this capture the feeling you're experiencing?
Pretty much, yeah.
Seeing it visualized can sometimes help process it. What thoughts does this image evoke for you? Would you like me to change anything or add something else?
Maybe draw a solution for me.
I've drawn a version where the ideas are more organized, flowing into separate, manageable streams. Does this feel closer to a sense of resolution?
Okay, that was pretty awesome. I don't know, like imagine even before this is pretty impressive to be honest. I think that would take me all day, if not several days, to maybe even build something like this. I don't know why it says Gemini 2.5. Oh, maybe that's because the images are nana banana. That's pretty cool. Let me see if I can say build me a landing page. Okay, I am pretty blown away by that, to be honest. I feel like that is pretty incredible. It's Gemini Live, integrated the image. It was like loading there, the image, and I didn't like even have to write the prompts. It was like writing the prompts integrated. That is pretty impressive, I have to say. Let's go check out the world. No, I did it in the wrong place. This should be the apps. I'm in the text model. Should be in build. Okay, so it did add some personality. I like this. Yeah, it's definitely a better article now. This is exactly how I write. Usually is like there's some different lengths. There's different sentence lengths, and then enter the AI Gold Rush. It really makes it stand out. This, yeah, I mean, it still has this kind of. This is the giveaway now. Is like here's the problem. There are too many tools. Okay, yeah, but overall, this is much better. All right, my world did not take long. I don't know. I have no idea what's gonna happen here. What? Okay, it seemed to like create this weird image for me. Seems to be still working on something. Okay, so I made the landing page. That's fairly standard. So maybe you do need to add some extra prompting to make it into a good design. I'm not going to do that now, but I mean, it looks all right, but it does look very vibe coded. All right, so while my world is building, I also made a little game. Let's see how this works. Okay, not bad. I mean, not bad. Bit slow. Can I? Hey, okay. This is better than most other models at creating these games, I would say. I have tested a few of them. Oh, can't jump or anything, can I? Okay, not amazing, but still probably better than what we've had before. Can you imagine in a few more months if we build games like this? So Logan Kilpatrick of Google came out with this, and he said that this ball test, this looks really cool. If it made this physics simulator, it's really awesome. Okay, and on Design Arena, it came out way ahead of everything else. So I am super excited to get working and designing with this model. My 3D world has been created. Oh wow, okay. It went for lots of diamonds and stars. I can move around here. Wow, that's pretty cool. The real thing about this is the speed, like that it created this is insane. It took, I don't know, like 2 minutes to create this, which is crazy. This is gonna make a huge difference. Oh wow, I can click on the things. Oh wow, that's amazing. That's really cool. To create that in 2 minutes is absolutely wild. So I'm gonna keep playing around with this. I want to figure out how to get the best out of the design. Your job now is to hit the subscribe button and watch this video on screen now.